To transfer your TRC20 USDT from OKX to Binance, start by logging into your Binance account. Navigate to Wallet, then Deposit, and select USDT with the TRC20 network. Copy your unique deposit address. Next, open your OKX wallet and import it using your recovery phrase. Once you're in, check that your USDT balance is visible. Now select USDT, tap Send, and paste your Binance deposit address in the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check that the network is set to TRC20, and confirm the details. After paying the small network fee, hit Send. TRC20 transactions are quick, usually taking just 1 to 2 minutes to show up in Binance. Always double-check the recipient address to avoid any mishaps. Happy transferring!